Before starting, this is the full code, so if you just need that, here it is. Let's start by going over to the game section, third person, template, and create a new project. I am currently using the 5.5.4 version of Unreal Engine. Let's wait for it to load and press play to actually see how it currently works. So right now we can use the keyboard to move around, and if we connect a controller, the first one, we can see that it works as expected. So we have the keyboard and the controller currently working. But if we add another one, this controller doesn't do anything basically, so it will not control the player and it will not create a new player to control. So to fix this, let's go to the third person folder, blueprint, third person game mode, click the blue button on the top here, and let's start coding. So right click, search for the event begin play. From now, drag out from this and search for the set timer by event. Okay, in this time slot we need to add the interval, so 1 second for now, and check the looping box and the event, drag from here and create a new custom event that will be called however you want. Mine will be called check controllers. Okay, so now we need to search for the get all connected input devices. Okay, so we can have a list of them. Perfect. So right click and search for the get game mode maps and settings. Perfect, just like this. And now from here search for get skip assigning gamepad to player 1. We will take a look at this later and why we need this and how it works. From here, drag and search for a select. Be sure to select this one here with this weird symbol, otherwise it will not work properly. Perfect. And now from the return value, connect that to the false pin, and grab it again, add 1 like this, and connect that to the true pin. Perfect. Now, just to be sure that that it does not delete the player, add here a max 1. Perfect. And from here we need to search for higher and lower. Like this. This is lower and this is higher. Perfect. And we will be comparing this value to the current number of players. So just search for number get number local player controllers. Okay, like this. And now if we need a new character, because we have more controller than players, we can search for a branch and create a new local player. So from the return value true, create local player. Great. And if we have more player than controller, we need to remove one. So search for a branch like this, and remove the player controller. So search for remove local player. Okay. Remember to check this box, destroy pawn. And now from the get number local player controller, we need to subtract 1. Okay, and get his controller. So get player controller. Perfect. And we are almost done. We are almost done with the code. Just to improve it a bit, drag this line from here to there. So when we start the game, it will add all the controller at the same time, and also here. So if we add multiple controllers at the same time, it will work. And same thing for the false one. So drag this over here, just to make it a bit cleaner. Compile, save, and now we can disconnect the controllers. Perfect, like this, okay. And now by playing the game with just a keyboard, we have the only player, okay. By connecting the first controller will control the same player, but by connecting the second controller, another player will spawn, okay, and it will be usable with the second controller, and the game will be split screen. If we disconnect the controller, the second player will disappear. Now, by going to the Edit, Project Settings, and searching for Skip Assigning Gamepad to Player 1, let's move this, and by checking this box, we can actually make a little change so that now for every controller we have a character, and we also have a character for the keyboard. So we have 3 characters in this case, and by disconnecting a controller or by connecting it, we can see that the number of players will adjust accordingly. Perfect. Okay, so here it is, the third player again. Okay, by going back to the project settings, we can actually go over to Maps and Mods and remove the split screen if we don't want that. Okay, so we have 3 controllable players at the same time, but without the split screen.